here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Thank you so much for clicking on this unboxing and watching it. I don't know where I'm going to place this, whether at the beginning of the video or at the end of the clip, but in any case, all the same, thank you so much. I just wanted to say that I actually ended up returning and exchanging for the size 46. So the size you see in this video is a men's 48, which the arms were quite long and it was quite evident that they're very long. And I know for some people that's a vibe, that's a look, but I honestly thought I could go down to just the small in men's size. And I'm going to do another part 2, which is like a review, because I've had the jacket now for the coat now for about 2 months, just a review on how it's been so far, and that's going to be somewhere linked, so make sure you check that out and yeah, watch that if you want a more deep dive review. But yeah, thank you so much, and stay safe out there.